Welcome to Kevin Fan channel. In today's video, I have an important information to share with you guys. Alright, so today's video is not about dragging, but a way to help our trading career. Okay, there is this broker I've been promoting, if you noticed, on this YouTube channel called BTC Dana. That's the broker I've been using, and I must tell you for free, it actually changed the narrative of broker to me, how I used to see broker before. Initially, sometimes when I was using the past broker, which I will not mention their names, when I enter a trade, for instance, sometimes my stop loss gets hit. When I check trading view chart, I'm sure that my stop loss is still far away. And the reason for this is there are unnecessary spreads, widespread. And then by so doing, they take you out. Sometimes they even take you out unnecessarily. They just look for your stop loss, they remove it, then you get hit out, right? These are ways brokers manipulate people just to make money. That's their selfish interest. Now, but this BTC Dana, ever since I've recommended it to so many persons, actually, they have been testifying how good they are, especially on how tight their spread is. And the issue of getting stopped out from the trade stopped completely. All right. No, I'm a user. So many persons, in fact, more than 800 persons are referred into this company, all right, for 3 months, and I'm still promoting them, right? So if you want to see for yourself how good they are, use the link in my description box, then check them out first. That is, do your due diligence, review them, then start trading with us, right? If you have any issue, you can complain to the customer care, or I can assist you if need be. Maybe I could, also help you talk with their customer care. That would be a way to fasten your trading career. So I will do a full review about this broker shortly, but before I do that, there is a good news that comes with this video. The good news is the broker is sponsoring this video first of all, and by so doing, they are giving out $20 to users who registers, right? Users who sign up and then make their first deposit. They are giving out that is $5 per users, 5 persons, right? 5 persons that signs up now, we get $5 for free, and they will also send them $2 to waive out any commission at all, any withdrawal commissions or what have you. So click the link on my description box to be the first to make your first deposit and start trading with BTC Dana. Now, let me quickly go into the full review and show you how to deposit. In fact, their withdrawal mechanism is as fast as speed of light. As you are making a deposit also, it reflects in the speed of light too. So everything is just so fast. Your business with this broker is trade with them. That's all. Fund, trade, withdraw. That is how it is. Now let me go into the full details of the video. Let's go. All right. First thing first, the link to this platform or broker is found on the description box. Okay. Once you click on the link, you come over to this section where you will be asked to create an account. So use a valid email address and then you sign up. In case you have an account, for those who are referred already, you already know how to use the broker. So once you come to the broker, you log in and then continue your trading. So the good thing, like I promised, is for the first 4 persons that are actively trading on this broker, you stand a chance of receiving $5. This is a way of sponsorship from the broker, and also to encourage traders to use BTC Dana. All right, don't forget that why I'm recommending this broker is because of the tight spread and nothing like manipulations. More reason why I'm moving into BTC Dana. All right, so under this trading section, you can find your major forex pairs. All right, so when you scroll down, you see your pairs over here. You can search them up in case you don't see them on this list, but basically I prefer using my MT5. So what I do instead is I connect my accounts to my MT5 where I actually trade from. So that's what I like to do mostly. So people ask also, how much is the minimum you can deposit in this broker? So the truth is, the minimum deposit is actually $10, right? So when you click on deposit section, when you want to make payment, choose a standard account. As you can see, I have an account with them already, and my balance is this. So you can use bank transfer, you can send through USDT, TRC20, so many options, right? So let's just try the USDT TRC20 address. You're going to find out that the minimum deposit is actually $10, all right? You can go higher, $50, $100, $500, $1,000, depending on your capacity or what you want to use for your trading. You can actually use bank transfer for those who want to use their local currency, so that is also available. Now you can actually refer people, and they actually give you a lot of reward commissions just by sharing your link. Obviously you have your partnership with them and receive rebates. And because this is a new broker, kind of, it has been for a while though, but most people don't know the powerful advantages that come with BTC Dana. So you can actually join now and then promote the platform by sharing your affiliate link. Okay, so you can read about the company here, why BTC Dana. You contact them. Their customer support is also very effective and reliable. 24/7 they are actually active. Check on their legal statement, their policies and their regulations. They also have most frequently asked questions, where you can ask all your questions and get possible answers, right? Remember, they also have metals, things like gold, SAUSD, and your favorite metals. Let me show you: SAUSD, SAGUSD, and also indices like US30 and the rest. So the accounts, the BTC Dana broker is something I recommend in case you are looking for a broker with a very nice spread and low commissions. So that will be all for the review of this broker. I'm going to see you next time. Always subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of offer to give you this year. Let's go.